Hey y'all, in this video I'm showing y'all doing my first resin tray. I am not a professional, I am a novice and I don't know what the hell I'm doing. I'm just out here winging it and freestyling, and I created a video to show y'all. Stay tuned to the end to see the partially finished product, because I have to add a clear coat to it, which I didn't do that in this video. If you do resin, comment below and let me know some tips and tricks for beginners or things that you wish you knew when you first started doing resin art. So after about 3 days, I ended up doing the demolding. I actually forgot about it. That's why it took me so long to demold. But I think it came out really good for my first try, although as the resin began to cure, I realized that I had stuck the handles in a little bit crooked. I mean, it's okay, but um, yeah, I thought I was killing it, and I killed it all right with the handles. But I think it turned out pretty good for my first time. I'm actually going to pour a clear coat over top of it just to like make the top part of it smooth and clear and allow it to cure and make it look how the back actually looks.